How to change front wheel on 2017 Aprilia Tuono V4 Factory. First thing that we're gonna do is loosen this 30 millimeter nut. So you wanna have the bike on the ground and go ahead and loosen this. Okay, now that it's finger loose, we can go loosen these 4 bolts right here, which are the axle clamping bolts. It's gonna be a 10 millimeter socket, and just give it a little loose, both sides. Put your bike on a front stand. Go ahead and loosen this nut the rest of the way. Okay. Take an 8 millimeter hex socket and go ahead and loosen the caliper bolts, 1, 2 on both sides. When you remove each bolt, make sure you grab these spacers right here. Then you want to go pull the caliper off of the rotor. One thing that's going to help you out, because there's not that much clearance between the caliper and the rim itself, is you're going to want to pull the caliper towards you and push the caliper away from you so that these pistons inside become detracted, and it gives you some more wiggle room to kind of like rotate that caliper out of this assembly. So you can see it's hard to get this caliper out of here. So again, I'm going to pretty much pull this caliper towards me. Now that it's disconnected from these 2 attachment points, that's going to effectively push the pistons back inside the caliper. So if I push on this, the pistons are going to go in here, and now I should have a little more wiggle room to pull it out just like that. So you want to draw these pistons in. With these 4 bolts right here, these 4 axle clamp bolts loosened, I'm going to take a rubber mallet and I'm going to hit the front axle. So now I'm going to come over, I'm going to put a screwdriver in here to this hole, and I'm going to pull it right out. Before you do that, make sure you understand that there is a little spacer, and it's going to go on the driver right side of the bike. So these might fall out as you go and drop the wheel. All right, so with the axle pulled out there, the wheel just drops straight down. This is the driver left side. This is the driver right side. So this is your little part that sometimes can fall out. So just make sure you know that that's on the bike here. This is good too.